William Bill Albert Smith, born 15 September 1937, is a former English cricketer. Smith was a left-handed batsman who bowled right-arm medium pace. He was born at Salisbury, Wiltshire. Smith made his first-class debut for Surrey against Oxford University in 1961. His second first-class appearance against Somerset in 1962 brought about his debut in the county championship. From 1961 to 1970, he represented Surrey in 144 first-class matches, the last of which came against Leicestershire in 1970. In his 144 first-class matches, he scored 5,042 runs at a batting average of 22.42, with 23 half-centuries and 2 centuries. His highest score was 103. In the field he took 51 catches. Smith also made his debut in List A cricket for Surrey. His debut List A match came against Gloucestershire in the 1964 Gillette Cup. From 1964 to 1970, he represented the county in 22 List A matches, the last of which came against Glamorgan in the 1970 John Player League. Smith joined Wiltshire in 1971, making his minor counties championship debut for the county against Dorset. From 1971 to 1976, he represented the county in 26 minor counties championship matches, the last of which came against the Somerset 2nd Chi. He also represented Wiltshire in 2 List A matches, both of which came against Hampshire in the 1972 and 1973 Gillette Cups. Smith also represented minor counties south in 4 List A matches against Somerset, Glamorgan, Hampshire and Gloucestershire in the 1972 Benson and Hedges Cup. In his 28 career List A matches, he scored 453 runs at an average of 19.69, with 2 half-centuries and a high score of 64. While in the field he took 9 catches. Family. His son Andrew also played first-class and List A cricket for Surrey. Bill Smith at Cricinfo. Bill Smith at Cricket Archive.